Good evening, dear viewers, investors and traders. Again a great day, a great closing, a great expiry. Market went up and another green day. Nifty closed somewhere around 0.89 percentage up, and it was a gap up opening as expected today. And then market moved, Nifty particularly moved between 16,150 to 16,045, and then it closed almost near the high. The same with Bank Nifty, it closed near the high, but the market went up by about 1.7 percentage. The number one sector which has given the great returns today is Nifty Metal Index, and so far people were expecting the market to Nifty Metal to go little down, but then counter trend market started going up, probably because of the crude oil prices coming down and then recession fear slightly getting reduced. These days the VIXs have started coming down, and it has come down by about 5%. As we said earlier, this implied volatility is kind of far removed from the practical aspects of the volatility. If we were to calculate the real volatility that is affecting the option writers, this would say that it is in the lower side. So if you are an option writer and a person who trades with options, writes options or buys option, then please take into account that this is not actually reflecting the reality of the volatility present in the market. So if you were to, so our advice to you is, if you are an option writer, do factor this into account. And these days, as we said earlier, markets are either having a gap up opening or gap down opening. So you need to, if you are a person who is having overnight positions, our suggestion to you is that factor in these kind of market gap up opening in the Nifty, particularly 100 points up or 100 points down is almost the norm these days. So if you are a person who is having a tight stop loss or doing straddles, then you need to probably for some time till the volatility subsides, try short strangle, rather say from the at the money, couple of strikes away from the at the money, at least to protect yourself from the gap up opening. For the option buyers, this is kind of good news. The reason being, the implied volatility is little less than the expressed volatility. I mean, it is not showing the actual reality of the market, actual reality of the volatility of the market. Probably the premium is priced little lesser when compared to the what it could be priced. So these probably would be the time for the option buyers. So if you want to know more about how you can actually make say better trading decision with buys, option buying, please get in touch with us by using this comment section. And for option writing sellings and the regular updates which are given by Mr. Damodharan, he will be joining us tomorrow. If you have any doubts on the option selling strategies, please write to us or get in touch with Mr. Damodharan. He will be able to guide you better. And one more thing, as we had sold in the morning, these are good levels to park at least some 30-40% of your idle money into the market. If you are not sure of which sector that is going to be better, then our suggestion to you would be to at least invest in the Nifty Bs or other index funds. Invest at least 20-30%, if not 40% here right now in the market. Things are looking up, but still the support level is not, I mean the resistance level is not broken. The resistance level still is around 16,200. If it breaks, probably we need to rethink on the strategies with the negative buyers. Thank you. If you want to know more about strategies, option buying strategies, selling strategies, or where to invest, get in touch with us by the way of comments. Thank you. This is Suresh Kumar signing off for